Good more earnings. This is Armila, your franchise consultant of Unified Products and Services. This video, I'll show you how to cash in to Replenish version 3 Ecash fund. Okay, let's start. Prior to this, I have already transferred money to the company's account using video online banking, and then took a screenshot and edited it with this information like payer, reg code, fund request amount, and service charge. Service charge, as you know, it's 25 pesos if it's between 1 peso to 50,000 fund request amount. Okay? For those people who walked into a bank to deposit to the company's bank account to replenish their eCash fund, don't worry, you can use this file. The process is still the same. Okay? Now let's proceed with logging into version 3. Type online.unified.ph. Log in with your credentials. Then go through two-step verification. A code will be sent to your email. Check your email. Type in the code. And log in. Click on the uppermost left icon. Double tap cash in. Select bank deposit. Enter cash in amount. Choose the company bank account to which you deposited the money. For this case, I use video. Currency peso. And as you know, the company has two other accounts like UCPB and Security Bank. When ready, click submit. Then click yes to confirm. Click confirmed. Then click mark as paid since we have already deposited the money to the company's account. And then time to upload the receipt. Input reference number. Select the date that you have deposited the money. And then the time as well. Then click upload. Okay, it's uploading now. And wait for your payment to be verified. And for me, I just took a screenshot for future reference. Then you can check general reports for your transaction status. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Bye!